Online shopping has become a daily ritual for millions across India. From groceries to gadgets, platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, and Nykaa offer unmatched convenience. But with this digital boom comes a darker reality: fraud. Fake websites mimic trusted brands and trap unsuspecting buyers. Counterfeit products are sold under genuine listings. Payment frauds and phishing links are becoming common. Some scams involve non-delivery or bait-and-switch tactics. You order one thing, but receive something entirely different, or nothing at all. The good news? India's legal system has evolved to protect consumers. Whether the fraud is domestic or international, you have rights. You're not powerless in the face of digital deception. In this video by Law Made Simple, we'll explore how to take legal action. We'll break down the laws that protect you. We'll explain how to file complaints and escalate disputes. We'll show you what to do if the seller is based outside India. We'll highlight common fraud tactics to watch out for. We'll guide you through preventive steps before making a purchase. We'll walk you through the complaint process, step by step. We'll share tips to help you shop smarter and safer. We'll empower you with legal clarity and practical advice. Because justice should be accessible, even online. Let's begin your legal journey towards safer shopping. Welcome to Law Made Simple. India's legal framework is strong when it comes to online shopping fraud. The Consumer Protection Act, 2019, is your first line of defense. Sections 17, 18, and 21 deal with unfair trade practices and misleading advertisements. The Information Technology Act, 2000, tackles digital fraud. Section 66C covers identity theft, while 66D addresses cheating by impersonation. The Consumer Protection E-commerce rules, 2020, ensure platforms follow fair practices. They require grievance officers and transparent refund policies. The Digital Personal Data Protection Act, 2023, protects your privacy. If your data is misused, this law provides remedies. The Payment and Settlement Systems Act, 2007, secures online transactions. It regulates payment gateways and digital wallets. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, 2023, replaces IPC and includes sections 318 and 319. These sections cover cheating and criminal breach of trust. Even if the seller is abroad, Indian law can apply. Jurisdiction is not limited by geography in digital cases. You can file complaints against foreign platforms. You can seek redressal through Indian consumer forums. You can escalate cyber fraud through national portals. These laws work together to protect your rights. They empower you to act, not just react. Knowing them is the first step to justice. Let's explore how fraud actually happens. Stay informed, stay protected. Online shopping fraud comes in many forms, and they're evolving fast. Fake websites are the most common trap. They mimic trusted platforms like Amazon or Flipkart. You place an order, make a payment, and receive nothing. Or worse, you get a counterfeit product. Some sellers use bait-and-switch tactics. They advertise one item and deliver something else. Refund scams are also rising. Fraudsters send fake invoices and demand money back. Deepfake endorsements mislead buyers with fake celebrity promotions. Manipulated reviews and ratings create false trust. Some sellers even pay for fake 5-star feedback. These tactics are designed to exploit your confidence. They target your urgency and excitement. They use psychological tricks to rush your decisions. Recognizing these patterns is your first defense. If something feels off, pause and verify. Check the URL, seller name, and payment method. Look for verified reviews and return policies. Don't fall for urgency traps like only one left. Fraud thrives on impulse. Fight it with awareness. Let's now look at what happens when the seller is abroad. Cross-border fraud is not beyond your reach. Many consumers hesitate when the seller is based outside India. They assume legal action isn't possible, but that's not true. Cross-border fraud is legally actionable under Indian law. The Consumer Protection Act, 2019, still applies. You can file complaints for unfair trade practices. The Information Technology Act, 2000, covers digital fraud. Even if the server is abroad, the impact is in India. The Foreign Exchange Management Act, 1999, applies if money crosses borders. You can report violations related to foreign payments. Use the National Cybercrime Portal to file digital complaints. It's accessible online and supports cross-border cases. Document everything: emails, chats, invoices, screenshots. Evidence is key to building your case. Indian consumer forums accept complaints against foreign sellers. You can also use the e-Daakhil portal for online filing. It's fast, paperless, and legally recognized. You don't need to travel or hire expensive lawyers. You just need clarity, persistence, and documentation. Cross-border fraud is not beyond your reach. Legal action is possible and effective. Don't let geography limit your justice. Let's now look at how to shop smart and prevent fraud. Empowerment begins before the purchase. Before you click Buy Now, take a moment to verify the seller. Check their credentials, reviews, and ratings. Look for verified purchase feedback, not generic praise. Read the return and refund policies carefully. Make sure they're clear, fair, and easy to access. Always use secure payment gateways like UPI or verified cards. Avoid direct bank transfers or suspicious links. Record your unboxing. It's solid evidence in case of fraud. A simple video can prove what was delivered. Save all invoices, order confirmations, and emails. They're essential if you need to file a complaint. Know your rights under the Consumer Protection Act, 2019. You're entitled to fair treatment and grievance redressal. Don't ignore red flags like vague seller names or no contact info. Report suspicious listings to the platform immediately. Your alertness can protect others too. Fraud thrives on impulse. Fight it with patience. Take screenshots of product pages before ordering. Check if the seller is listed under the platform's verified program. Use official apps, not third-party sites, to shop. Smart shopping is safe shopping. Empower yourself before the purchase. Let's now explore how to file a complaint step by step. Filing a complaint is easier than most people think. Start by identifying your grievance clearly. With delivery, counterfeit product, or payment fraud. Gather all evidence, screenshots, invoices, chats, and videos. Contact the seller or platform directly first. Most platforms have a help desk or support email. If unresolved, escalate to their grievance officer. This is mandatory under the Consumer Protection, E-Commerce, Rules 2020. You'll find their contact details in the platform's policy section. Next, file your complaint via the e-Daakhil portal. It's an official government platform for consumer disputes. You can submit documents, track progress, and attend hearings online. For cyber fraud, report it at cybercrime.gov.in. This portal handles phishing, identity theft, and payment scams. Depending on your case, approach the right consumer commission, district, state, or national, based on claim value and complexity. Keep records of all follow-ups and responses. Maintain a timeline of actions taken. If needed, consult a legal advisor or consumer rights NGO. Persistence and documentation are key to success. Justice is a process. Start it with clarity and confidence. Let's wrap up with final tips and your call to action. Online fraud is real, but so is your power to fight it. Stay informed about common scams and legal remedies. Know your rights under the Consumer Protection Act, 2019. Use official portals like e-Daakhil and cybercrime.gov.in. Keep digital records of every purchase. Don't rely on memory. Educate your friends and family about online fraud. Share this video to help others shop smarter. Every view helps someone avoid a scam. Every share spreads legal awareness. Every subscriber strengthens our mission. Together, we can build a safer digital marketplace. Fraudsters thrive on ignorance. Let's fight back with knowledge. You don't need to be a lawyer to demand justice. You just need clarity, confidence, and the right tools. That's what Law Made Simple is here for. We simplify legal concepts for everyday life. We empower you to act, not just react. We believe justice should be accessible to all. So if this video helped you, show your support. Like, share, and subscribe to Law Made Simple. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's make law simple and powerful. Thank you for watching.